Replacing a refrigerator water inlet valve can feel daunting. However, the WR57X10048 refrigerator inlet valve is a lifesaver. This part is a direct replacement. It fits many GE models perfectly. Installation is straightforward. You will need basic tools. Even a beginner can do it. First, unplug the refrigerator. Next, turn off the water supply. Then, locate the old valve. Carefully remove the tubing and wiring. Afterward, install the new WR57X10048 refrigerator inlet valve. Connect everything securely. Finally, turn the water back on. Plug in the fridge. This simple fix saves money. No need for a costly service call. Therefore, it's a smart choice. Think of your old valve as a tired gatekeeper. It slowly restricts water flow. Perhaps it leaks. 2. The new WR57X10048 refrigerator inlet valve is a fresh, new gate. It opens wide. Water flows freely. Ice production improves greatly. Your dispenser will work like new. Furthermore, it prevents future leaks. This replacement is robust. It's built to last. Consequently, it offers peace of mind. It's truly a vital component. Moreover, it ensures fresh, clean water. It's a small part, yet crucial. You will notice the difference. Therefore, don't hesitate to replace it. In conclusion, this WR57X10048 refrigerator inlet valve is a top-notch replacement. It restores your refrigerator's water system. It provides consistent water flow. Also, it makes ice reliably. Installation is surprisingly easy. You'll feel accomplished. Ultimately, it brings your fridge back to life. Hence, it is highly recommended. It's an essential upgrade. You will not regret this purchase. This valve is a small investment, yet it yields big results. So, give your fridge a new lease on life. Pros: functions as intended, identical replacement part, ease of installation, no modifications necessary. Fixed my leaking inlet valve, fixed ice buildup in freezer, fit correctly, working. So far, verified purchase, fit on older GE profile. Cons: may not fit all models, installation can be tricky, requires appliance unplugging, tools not included, needs specific model. Check features. Replaces WR57X10086 valve. Replaces WR57X10048 valve. Refrigerator water valve, inlet valve. Replacement ensures water dispenses, fixes ice maker issues, easy to install, durable. Construction, common refrigerator part, affordable replacement. This replacement part fixes water problems in refrigerators. It's a water inlet valve that replaces parts WR57X10086 and WR57X10048. This valve helps your fridge dispense water and makes ice. It's easy to put in, lasts a long time, and won't break the bank. This refrigerator water inlet valve replacement, part WR57X10086, WR57X10048, is an identical replacement part that functions as intended. It was easy to install, required no modifications, and successfully fixed a leaking inlet valve and ice buildup in the freezer. The part fit correctly on an older GE profile model, though it's important to check your specific model as it may not fit all refrigerators. While installation can be tricky and requires unplugging the appliance, no special tools are included. Overall, customers found it to be a working solution for their refrigerator issues.